Alright guys, so before going through the other platforms, I need to show you what the MetaMask is. And some of you might have experience with it, others not, but with very simple words, that is a crypto wallet. Just what it says on the front page on metamask.io, and at the same time it is a gateway to blockchain apps. Alright, so by using MetaMask, we are usually capable of purchasing NFTs by connecting this wallet to the NFT platforms, or this is where we will be storing cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, and we will be using this Ethereum to buy NFTs, and at the same time after that we will be storing these NFTs on the MetaMask wallet. Alright, so this way you are able to buy one NFT from one platform, store it on your MetaMask wallet, and then sell it on another platform. So basically this way you can transfer NFTs from one place to another. And for the purpose of this video, I will download and show you what exactly you need to do. I click on the download button in the top right hand corner, and then I will click on install MetaMask for Chrome. Alright, and then I'm going to Chrome Web Store, add to Chrome, and then I will just add it as an extension, and it takes a couple of seconds. And for some reason it's in Bulgarian language. Let me try to translate it. Alright, so welcome to MetaMask. And it says just what I said, right? It connects you to Ethereum and the decentralized network. We are glad to see you. First steps, and you see as I move the mouse, the MetaMask moves as well. So first steps, I click on that, and then I will show you how to create a wallet if you're doing it for a first time. If you already have a wallet, you need to recover it. So now I will create a new wallet. So if you're doing it, you will see how it works. And here we see what MetaMask does and what it never does. So I agree to that. And here is my password. So right now I will be just pasting a password that I will need to confirm. I will agree to the terms and conditions. Of course, I would always advise you to go through them, and I will tap on creating. And here is my secret backup phrase, which is super important. Like every crypto wallet, you will have a secret phrase, words. Usually this is somewhere between 12 and 24 words, which you need to write down on a piece of paper and keep it offline, okay? Don't keep it on your computer, anything connected to the internet, for sure not on a cloud, because this is how you can easily lose your NFTs and cryptocurrencies if someone actually hacks your computer or network and they get access to this phrase. So now I will click here to reveal the secret words. I will write down these 12 words on a piece of paper while I'm recording. This is what you need to do as well, and never ever share it with anyone, especially if you are planning to keep NFTs on your MetaMask wallet, or if you are keeping actually bigger amounts of Ethereum. Okay, after that I will click on forward, and here I need to confirm the order of the words, and I will just confirm it. It says confirm, everything's ready. Not sure again why it's translating in my browser into Bulgarian language. Let's try to translate it in English, but it just says congratulations and everything I just said. Okay, don't store it online, don't make a copy of it, keep it on a piece of paper, and so on. So I click on everything is ready, and here it is. Swapping on mobile is here. It's something new on MetaMask. So it says that users can now swap tokens inside their mobile wallet. And this is the QR code if you want to have the MetaMask on your mobile. I will skip that for now, and that's it. Okay, I have my MetaMask wallet ready. So now I can buy, I can send or swap different tokens. I can use it for different purposes, and in the next videos I will show you how we use MetaMask to connect it to different NFT platforms. We'll be funding it with some Ethereum and purchasing some NFTs, so you will see everything step by step.